Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to set PIN password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. As of now, I have no password in my tablet. I lock my phone and try to unlock. It did not ask anything. Okay, so here itself, I would like to use a PIN for unlocking my tablet. So what I have to do is just go to the settings of tablet here, then go to security here, and then here select screen lock, and here select PIN, set a PIN. Just type a PIN of your choice. Here just I type 1616 and click on next. Again you go to type the same PIN 1616 to verify and click on confirm. Yes. Now it will ask you to choose from the three options. Okay, here it shows that show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. So if you choose third one, no notifications will be showing on lock screen. Okay, if you would like to show all notification on lock screen, choose first one and click on done. Yes, now PIN is set, and now check lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your PIN. Just you have to give the PIN 1616 and click on yes, it has been unlocked. So if you would like to lock your tablet, just you go to press on this screen lock, that is power button, and then screen will be locked with a PIN. So PIN is set in your tablet. To unlock your tablet, you got to give the PIN 1616. In this way, you can easily set a PIN for your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.